Mastering recipe terms, the essential vocabulary for ingredient preparation. Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to learn about a very tasty topic: ingredient preparation terms in English. These terms are used in recipes to guide you through the process of preparing a delicious meal. Having a good understanding of these words can help you become a better cook and also improve your English vocabulary. Let's dive in. In this first section, we'll talk about different ways to cut ingredients. Chop, to cut into small pieces. Generally, it doesn't matter if the pieces are even. Dice, similar to chopping, but the pieces should be small, square, and even. Slice, to cut in a straight line, creating thin, flat pieces. Mince, to cut into very small pieces, smaller than chopping or dicing. Next, we'll talk about how you combine ingredients together. Mix, to combine two or more ingredients together until they are incorporated. Blend, to mix ingredients thoroughly, often using a machine like a blender. Stir, to mix with a circular motion, usually with a spoon or similar tool. Whisk, to mix rapidly in a back-and-forth motion, often to incorporate air and make the mixture light and fluffy. Lastly, let's cover some basic cooking terms. Bake, to cook in an oven. Boil, to cook in boiling water. Fry, to cook in hot oil or fat. Grill, to cook on a grill, often over an open flame. Let's also quickly touch on some advanced terms you might encounter in more complex recipes. Sauté, to cook quickly in a small amount of hot fat or oil. Simmer, to cook just below the boiling point. Roast, to cook in an oven, usually uncovered, causing a caramelization on the surface of the food. Steam, to cook using steam, often by placing the food in a closed container above boiling water. And that's it. You've now learned some